Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatima Zahra. I will explain about silent letters in English. It explains when these letters are pronounced and when not. We'll learn a few simple rules to correctly pronounce English words containing silent letters. The video emphasizes that about 60% of English words have silent letters. Rules for pronouncing silent letters. The rules about the following letters that are often silent in certain cases. First, usually silent in words ending with "ly". For example, really, actually. Silence when standing right behind the letter M. For example, come, climb. Also silent when standing in front of T, for example, dab and down. Usually silent letters after the letters S, for example, musically and science. Silence in the sandwich word can also be silent or slightly pronounced before G, for example, edgy, bready, usually silent at the end of a word but can evoke the vowel before it, making the vowel pronounced longer. For example, height, to compare to high, if is the only vowel in a word, it needs to be pronounced. E is also silent at the end of irregular verbs in the past tense to ending with "at". For example, wanted to only pronounce one. For G, silent in words such as science, company, design, foreign, also silent in the G combination after the vowel, for example, egg and tie. For H, usually silent when standing behind W, for example, what and when. Also silent at the top of some words such as honest, horse, silent when standing behind she, G, or R. CH must pronounce CH except for the rare case when H is silent. A often pronounced except in the case of the word business. K usually silent in front of N, for example, knife. L silent is possible, especially in case of difficult pronunciation and for native speakers. Through the silent letters analysis, case of silent letters starting with M such as N in the word dam or hymn. The difference in pronunciation between M and N so that learners can easily visually and recognize. N can be silent when standing behind M. Other letters are also considered. P silent in the word psychology, psycho. Can change the pronunciation or be silent when standing next to H. P H in paragraph telephone. R not silent in American English but can be silent in British and Australian English. H and butter. S silence in the word Sally. And also, silence in many words is Q. For you, silence in many common words such as adverbs, beautifully, wonderfully. For W, silence when standing in front of R at the beginning of the words is right. Consolation, the video summarizing example of silent letters and guides on how to recognize them in English words.